massive scale transport initiates the supply chain.
Strict clearance protocols ensure only premium materials enter.
The ingredients for rescue vehicles converge here.
Tons of potential energy arrive, ready for shaping.
These hollow bones provide the vehicle's crash strength. Marine-grade alloy strength revealed at the microscopic level. Precision measurement is the first step of safety.
Lasers carve the blueprint of the rescue module.
The flat puzzle pieces of the ambulance emerge. Hydraulic force adds structural spine to the skin.
These hollow bones provide the vehicle's crash strength. Thousands of connection points are prepped for assembly. The powerful Ford engine enters the assembly flow.
Vibration isolation is critical for onboard surgery.
The foundation of the mobile hospital is fused together.
Sealing the undercarriage against the elements.
The skeleton of the ambulance walls is laid out.
Using the crash-proof cage of the vehicle.
Curved engineering keeps the elements out.
Aerospace bonding replaces old-school rivets. Vacuum pressure seals the skin forever. The ambulance module goes vertical. The box takes its iconic shape. Four walls become one solid shield. Bring it down 10 centimeters.
Watch the alignment on the far side.
Looks good. Secure the locks. Maximum structural integrity achieved.
Soundproofing the ride for critical patients.
Revealing the hidden storage capacity.
Stainless steel hardware that never sags.
Seamless metal for a seamless finish.
Roughing the surface to hold the color.
Chemical purity before the paint gun.
Protecting the mechanics from the paint.
Entering the sterile chamber for color.
The gray foundation for the iconic white finish.
The universal color of rescue is applied.
Adding the color that screams caution.
Sealing the color under a layer of glass.
Heat tempering the skin for durability. 2,000 feet of wire, the vehicle's nervous system.
Separating power streams to protect heart monitors.
Creating a climate-controlled capsule for survival. Plumbing the breath of life into the walls. Triple pressure testing prevents fatal leaks. Silence is required to hear a heartbeat. Smoothing the ground for the mobile ER. Seamless flooring prevents biohazard contamination.
Precision carpentry for rapid response gear.
Surfaces designed to repel bacteria. Shatterproof transparency for crash safety. The empty box transforms into a workspace. Stitching the seamless barrier against infection.
Comfort engineered for crash retention.
A swivel seat designed for high-speed CPR.
Hiding wires, reflecting the light, reflecting the light.
The steel lifeline for standing medics.
Red light mode preserves night vision.
Green ports for instant life support.
Lights visible from 2 miles away. Turning the crash site into day.
Diamond armor for the impact zones.
The flip step that saves paramedics' backs.
Preparing the Ford backbone for the load. Three tons of medical tech takes flight. The critical moment. 2 halves become 1. Grade 8 steel locks the union forever. A flexible tunnel for communication. Power flows from engine to hospital.
Re-engineering the fuel lines for the new width.
Sensors connected to prevent backup accidents. the anchor point that holds the patient secure.
That's like Houston, right?
Hammer up to be clear.
Hidden speakers with 200 watts of power.
Applying the universal symbol of healing.
Upgrading the cockpit for mission control.
Verifying 99.9% pure oxygen delivery.
The patient compartment reaches a safe temperature within 10 minutes. Freezing cold air in a scorching hot room.
Simulating a hurricane to find leaks.
Zero tolerance for a single drop of water.
Double-checking the bolts that hold it together.
Pushing the limits so drivers know they're safe.
The computer confirms a clean bill of health.
Polishing the armor until it shines.
Sterilizing the space for the first life saved.
Documenting the exact weight for the road.
A stable operating room at 60 mph.
Mission accomplished. Ready for the next one.
Line up. Ready for duty.
Securing the heavy cargo for the long haul. Traveling miles to save lives.
The new fleet arrives at its home base. Touching down on home turf.
Plugging in the lifeline to stay ready. The mobile ER opens its doors.